Welcome back to another IT Hub guide. Today, I'll be walking you through how to download the Horizon Virtual Desktop Client onto your personal Windows computer. In your web browser, type apps1.la.psu.edu and hit Enter. Once it loads, you'll need to sign into your Penn State Microsoft account if you're not already. When prompted, enter your Penn State web access information. You will also be asked to verify with Duo at this time. Once the authentication goes through, Microsoft will ask if you'd like to stay signed in. Go ahead and answer this to your preference. Welcome to the IT Hub. In the top left corner, click on the Apps tab. Under All Apps, select the L2 Virtual Desktop V. You should see a pop-up double-checking that you have the installed Virtual Desktop Client. Because you don't have it installed, do not click Launch. Click Install the Horizon Client instead. This will open the VMware Download Hub. Find the row that says VMware Horizon Client for Windows and click Go to Downloads. On the download page, find the blue Download Now button. Your download may take a few minutes to finish. When your download is finished, you will see a file below titled VMware Horizon Client.exe. Click on the file. Once it loads, you may be asked to enter your computer's administrator password or asked to allow the client to make changes to your desktop. Enter the information as needed. A pop-up will appear asking you to agree to the following privacy and license terms. You must select Agree and Install to continue. This installation may take a few minutes. We've sped up this footage for your convenience. Once the install is complete, your computer may ask to restart. You can do this now or in the future. After making your decision, you'll need to relaunch the Horizon client. Navigate to it on your desktop. Once it loads, you'll see the New Server button. Select the button, and a pop-up will appear asking you to enter the name of the connection server. Enter apps1.la.psu.edu. Hit the blue Connect button. This will take you to the IT Hub. You are now ready to log into the virtual desktop.